3D modeling versus 3D rendering. What's the difference? In the world of digital design, two terms often get mixed up: 3D modeling and 3D rendering. They sound similar, but they're very different steps. Let's break it down. What is 3D modeling? 3D modeling is like sculpting on a computer. It creates the shape, size, and structure of an object, but without colors or lighting. Architects, product designers, and game developers use it to build the base model. What is 3D rendering? Rendering is like taking a photo of that model. It adds colors, textures, light, and background, making it look real or artistic. This is what clients see in ads, brochures, and presentations. Key differences: modeling builds the structure, editable 3D object. Rendering adds realism, final 2D image or video. Modeling tools: Blender, 3ds Max, SketchUp. Rendering tools: V-Ray, Lumion, KeyShot. When used, modeling equals early stage, rendering equals final stage. Collaborations: how they work together. Concept: 3D model, add textures and light. Render, final visual. Both are needed for architecture, interiors, real estate, gaming, and product marketing. At Design Muster, we handle both modeling and rendering under one roof. Clean, optimized 3D models. Photorealistic renders with lighting and textures. Fast delivery. Cost-effective packages. Works across industries: real estate, furniture, retail, healthcare, and more. So, if you need a 3D model to design your idea or a 3D render to show it off, Design Muster has you covered. Turn your concepts into stunning visuals today.